speaker, on behalf of the EFD Group, Deputy Gerard Batten, 1.5 minutes. Take a floor, please.
Thank you. This place talks a lot about fundamental rights, and the idea might be novel to some of the countries represented here, given their recent histories. But we had fundamental rights in England, established over centuries. We recently celebrated the 800th anniversary of Magna Carta, a key step, a key milestone in that process. Now, our rights were further established under such things as habeas corpus, the English common law, and the Bill of Rights, 1689, to name just three. But our fundamental rights of the English, the fundamental rights of the English, are being destroyed and swept away by EU law. The EU is creating its own system of criminal law, which it euphemistically and laughably calls creating an area of freedom, security and justice. Well, it may be news to you, but we had one in the UK for centuries. Under a European arrest warrant, for example, any British citizen can now be arrested and imprisoned on the basis of vague accusations with no prima facie evidence against them, and a British court is powerless to prevent this happening. Under the common recognition of fines and confiscation orders, an EU state may confiscate the assets of a British citizen without a British court having any power to prevent it. Soon, British police forces can be compelled to investigate British citizens on behalf of foreign police forces under the proposed European investigation order. All of these are fundamental breaches of the Bill of Rights. If the British want to protect their own fundamental rights, then they need to leave the European Union. If you want to learn something about them, then come and study the English system.
Well done. Well done. Thank you, Mr. Batten.